Hi and welcome to Velo. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to create a ready-to-share video message for work. As we jump into the tool, you will notice two things. First is that Velo is created in the AI native era. And the second thing is that with Velo, you can turn your thoughts into videos that people understand. I am on the Velo web app and I already have a recording ready to upload. Let's quickly watch it once. Hello everyone, today we are looking at the launch page of MacBook Neo. This is a review of how the new Apple laptop, it's a budget laptop by Apple. It's called MacBook Neo. As you saw, it's a pretty first take raw recording. A little messy, a few pauses, just a normal screen recording. Now let's drop it into Velo. While the file uploads, let me tell you other ways to use Velo. You can capture your screen, upload a PDF or a video file, or you can paste the link. Velo understands the context and turns it into a ready-to-share video message. Our video is now uploaded and analyzed. Next, let's choose a voice for narration. I can use my own voice clone for a more personal feel or choose from one of the public voices. And that's it. Velo takes the rough recording and gives you a shareable output in a few seconds. While building Velo, we focus on one thing, that's making the voice clone as expressive and natural as possible, so that your video still sounds like you, just more clearer and easier to follow. That being said, our Velo is ready. Let's take a look. Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the launch page of the MacBook Neo. This is a review of the new Apple laptop. It's a budget laptop by Apple. It's called the MacBook Neo. I can share it instantly with a link or download it as an MP4. I can also turn the video into an annotated doc as a guide, walkthrough, or a SOP and share it with my team or AI agents. If I want to personalize the video further, I can rewrite the script based on who I am sending it to, the tone I want, or the style of narration I am going for. We also suggest quick actions like adding background music, changing wallpapers, or applying your own brand kit. And that's how easy it is to turn your rough thoughts into video messages that people understand using Velo.